You're on, brother.
Yes, family. Come a little closer so you can get the view and everything. This is Greetings, family. We're live on Revolutionary Cam, and we're here just on a wonderful art exhibit with our brother that has traveled to Ghana with us last October 2016, and he has an incredible art gallery with paintings and photos and just like the whole illustration of creativity documenting our journey. So we're here on the outside, a lot of people are doing their thing, but we want to share with you the wonderful details about our upcoming journey to Ghana in May and November. We're literally leaving in 5 weeks. Me, SAS, and the crew. It's 26 of us going to Ghana, and we are just returning. I feel like I just left Ghana in November, and but it's been a few months, but that's the journey of a lifetime, dear family. To where in November, once we get back, we're getting ready to head out in November, where we have looking to, we're working on almost bus number 2. So we're packing the folks up and linking them to the motherland, Ghana, Togo, Benin. And my sister SAS here is gonna be with us in May, and she's gonna be letting people know about all the wonderful things going on with Repatriation. This is one of our main sisters, and she has made the decision, made the commitment to repatriate to the motherland. Yay! She is looking to escape Babylon for real. I know y'all think this is like we are for real.
It's true. I am ready after many travels to Ghana with Bomani. 5 times with you?
Yes, 5 times. You got the number correct this time. She usually forgets sometimes.
It's true. I don't keep count of the journeys with Bomani.
2011, 12, 13, and 2015 and 16, all Octobers.
I know it's all October. It's always for his birthdays. However, as an elder now, it's time to really touch youth, children, and the elders. And I think the ancestors have granted me permission to stay longer, to put in roots in the land, to invest in the land, to grow in the land, and to continue to thrive. So Bomani has just been the way in Africa for the Africans to open up the way for me to go a couple of weeks. I have great networks there, family there. I had a journey before that one time with Dr. Barbara Nana. And now I just like it a lot, too much to just stay 2 weeks. So I'm gonna give myself a reasonable goal of 75 days, about 3 months, to see how the ancestors lead and how the Creator guides, to allow. Not to just to force my own personal will or outcome, but to trust in what's taken me there these many times and provided and maintain me in those journeys. So I'm transferring my skills.
That is what's up, family.
I'm transferring my skills.
And we're gonna just kind of what we've been doing over the years is sharing with you all of the documentation of what we're literally gonna be doing, but it's gonna be a different move. You used to seeing us going and coming back. Sooner or later, when you start seeing some more of the videos, you're gonna start seeing us there and like, are they coming back? And we might say, no, life is too good.
All right, now.
When it's important that we travel and do our research as far as repatriation, because a lot of times we feel like America is it. America is the best thing that ever happened to black people since
like it's the only game in town. And here's the thing about being mobile and global.
Like your ministry.
All right.
Thank you very much. We're mobile and we're global, and we've always traveled and did commerce and trade and really had products and goods and services and talents and skills. And this is a time to continue to be courageous and walking on faith, and also planning, putting the plan together, collectively resourcing our dollars, and continue to invest in that which is enriching for us, but certainly if not now, when, okay? Especially for me. So it may not be for everyone, but I certainly have put in a number of years here. We have families of veterans here. We put into America soil and substance. But at the same time, there's no other land like our motherland, and it's called me home, and I'm not resisting that call.
Teach, sister.
I'm very inspired to be just trusting and allowing, and I can't wait till I get there.
Well, I love that. So it reminds me of it reminds me of when I was young. I watched The Wizard of Oz, and Dorothy got lost out in the world, and she was ready to go back home.
It's like
There's
Carmilla.
no, what she said, there's no place like home, right?
She clicked her heels.
Yeah, no place like home.
It's
So
no
that's what we're doing,
place like
family. We're
home.
clicking our heels, no place like home, and we're repatriating.
And you
so
come
come and
with
join
us.
us.
You
So
come with
much
us.
fun.
Ah, shit.
Come enjoy us with the internet from satellite, catch water system, water that we put in from the elements in the air, clean water, real water. You're not going to be drinking toilet water. Electricity from natural, renewable sources versus this destroying this planet.
Free already.
I mean, you're talking about a sustainable revolution of repatriation and nation building, and us getting into the higher level of investment, getting our own sets of buses, start building our own hotels, start building all of the things that we actually need to do as far as the business enterprise that we are. We are incredible business enterprise. Africa for the Africans and Bomani Technology represent us a small enterprise in America, but the proper move to Africa represent a multi-million-dollar enterprise where we can offer a lot of top-notch production work and JOBs if people want to have JOBs or partnerships, which I like to use, and then also being a part of communities where we can give back and connect with our young brothers
And I
and
really
sisters.
like the idea, Bomani, of the work that Brother Dawoodi and Brother Brandon
And Shamsuddin.
and
And
Shamsuddin
Dr. Sharita.
and Dr. Sharita, our people on the ground that are growing cashews
My four
and
favorite
farming
repatriates.
them. I'm just excited because we have everything we need and nothing can stop a divine idea whose time has come.
All right.
See, it's a time and season for everything under the sun and over the sun.
Absolutely.
And this is a
Ashe, my
season
sister.
for us to really not wait for the complete fall of America. Hey, you got to step up and step out and rise up, you mighty nation. We can accomplish what we will. And Bomani has a vision that I've certainly bought into and been exposed to. But I'm saying to myself, if not now, then when, SAS? And now is the only acceptable time for me. So I'm looking forward to the journey of a lifetime.
Absolutely,
And then I'm
family.
going to stick around after the journey of a lifetime, and we're going to lay the foundation.
Yeah, absolutely. SAS is going to get all the things you need to get clear for repatriation, but she have a lot of our wonderful brothers and sisters that repatriate that's going to help her. She's going to be staying with our dynamic sister, Dr. Sharita, which has been a veteran since, this is Sharita's 10th year of just being there in Ghana doing things. And we definitely want to let people know more about these journeys, but family, it's too much to give you in one dose, so you got to keep linking with the YouTube channel. You got to go up there and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up and show some love, share the video.
May
and
the
just let our
24th.
people know more about what we're doing as far as these wonderful tours and investments to Ghana, the Repatriation Village, all the wonderful information and things that we're linking you with. So check it out, www.africafortheafricans.org, and you can link with us on Facebook and YouTube, and just check it out and just reach out to us, and we got your back, family. So keep it strong and
Africa
keep
for
it
the Africans.
strong Black Fist, family.
At home and
All right.
abroad.
Yeah.